Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Shungson. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Google Adsense incorporate into your affiliate marketing. A lot of people are lured by affiliate marketing because it can be financially rewarding, even if you just stay at home. Affiliate marketing programs are best alternatives to those who are sick and tired of their arduous daily work just to climb up the venerated corporate ladder. You don't need products to sell, you just have to market them in your own website, and you don't have to worry about processing the customer's payments and the shipment of the products. If you are already into affiliate marketing, probably you were thinking about these benefits, too, before deciding to join an affiliate program. Of course you won't earn huge amount of commission. Who would not want it anyway? Keep in mind, however, that affiliate marketing cannot guarantee you instant success if you don't work on it. There are a lot of ways of maximizing your income. The internet is a huge library of information. Use it to learn of other opportunities and ways to increase your income. You can partner with several merchandisers and promote different products in your website, thereby increasing your chance to earn a commission. The easiest way for you to rev up your revenue potential is by incorporating Google Adsense into your marketing campaigns. What is Google Adsense? What are its advantages? How can it boost my revenues? These are some of the questions you might want to ask. Let's try to probe into Google Adsense, so you would know how it could help you in your affiliate marketing program. Merchants place their ads in Google, which is one of the most popular search engines or tools for locating various resources in the World Wide Web. Now the Google Adsense program allows you to display these ads in your website, and when your visitors click through them, you earn. The advertiser, which is the merchant, pays Google for every click-through made by the customer, and you as a partner of Google gets a share from that payment. What's great about the Google Adsense is that the ads are relevant to the content of your web page. Most likely, visitors of your website are interested on the theme of your site and specifically on the content of your web page. So, seeing ads related to their interest would definitely drive them to click through the link or the ad. Using state-of-the-art technology, Google scans your website and matches the content of your pages to their large database of advertisers. This way, Google is able to find ads that are targeted by the users of your site. In addition, Google changes the ads in your site as you change the content of your pages, so you can always expect the ads to be relevant to your site. Having Google ads in your website is also a way of convincing your users to return to your site. Repeat customers multiply your income without having to exert extra effort to convince them again to click through your links. And your potential to earn doesn't depend on them alone. Since you already have their confidence, they can be your endorsers as well. They could refer your site to family and friends who probably share the same interests with them. Advertisers in the Google Adsense program range from large international brands to small-time domestic and local businesses, so the targeted market for the ads can range as well. This adds variety to your site, thereby attracting different kinds of users. As you attract more users, you increase your earning potential as well. If you are targeting a specific nationality for your site users, don't worry because Adsense can be used in different languages. In order to boost your revenues through Google Adsense, you must pay attention to making web pages of high-value topics. Make contents related to high-paying ads, so you can earn more. Some ads pay only a few cents, while some ads pay you dollars just for a single click. You would need to do a little research on this so you can come up with a more relevant content. Join affiliate marketing forums and get tips from experienced affiliate marketers. Becoming an Adsense affiliate marketer is easy and fast. You just have to apply online, and once your application is approved, you can instantly set up Google Ads in your site. All you need to do is copy and paste some codes in your web pages, and in no time the ads will appear in your site. Strike while the iron is hot. Take advantage of the favorable circumstances the internet is offering you. Make the most of your affiliate marketing opportunities. Use Google Adsense. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Coco Shangsen pays you to have fun. CocoShangsen.net